Alright, so let's start by actually going to the Autodesk website, autodesk.com, and visiting the free education area. If you just Google search Autodesk free education, you'll come to this page, which shows you the free software that you can have as long as you're a student or a teacher. I've been using this software for years as a teacher and as a student. You can view all the products right here. If we click that, it pulls this menu up. And we're going to be using Mudbox in this class. And if you're on Windows, you can mess around with Recap Pro. Mudbox is on Mac and Windows. I click Mudbox. I'm going to sign in with my account. And you'll have to create an account. It'll ask you for your school. Just say that you went to ASU like Newport or whatever. For some reason, Jonesboro, at least in the past, hasn't been listed. It really doesn't matter. You can just pick another school. So let's see, we have to say we're a university. So you probably have to verify some information, and you'll pick your version of Mudbox here, your operating system, and the language that you're using, and you can say install now and it'll download. Once it's installed and you have Mudbox open, it's probably going to email you like a serial number that you can use to register Mudbox. If not, you can just hit the trial button and register later. But opening up Mudbox will come to this screen. I'm going to stop here and we can come to the next video.